Hello, my name is Phathizwe Msibi. I'm a sportcaster at Eswatini TV, meaning I do sports, either sports news or sports programs. We have two sports programs in the TV station. We have Lipola Eswatini and Temidlalo. If I'm not in front of TV, I sometimes double up as maybe vision mixing, graphics guy and all that. So that's why I'll say I'm a sportcaster. Sports has always been part of my life since kusukela ngisakhula vele, because I mean, you'll know most of them are African child, if I can say, by my sports balance, more especially ibhola. So angihluka kangako nami kakhulu. First love has always been football, and as ngikhula I had interest in nalamanye ama sporting codes, and ngakhula ngathi mangicala kusebenza ngawo vele ema sports. So lokwanginikeza ukuthuba ukuthi sale ngiwanaka onke ke nyalo ema sporting activities la khona in the country and outside the country. I've always loved being a lawyer. Nanyalo ngisho nje ngithi yabona mangake ngithole lithuba lokuthi ngihambe ngifundzela, I think ngingakwenza. And at the same time nyalo I've fallen in love with TV. So sekulukhuni hence ngathi sengiyaqhubeka nale TV because nayo I've fallen in love. But nje mangisakhula every time I know ukuthi masakhula bebakubuza ukuthi ufuna kuba yini eclassini. Ufuna kuba soldier, ufuna kuba liphoyisa, ufuna kuba yini. Mina I've always wanted to be a lawyer. A job that I think I could never do. Hey, kungaba yini? Okay, in nature yami angisumuntu othanda kwenda umsebenzi olukhulu, physical work. Yeah, so maybe probably bricklaying, I wouldn't do that. Kenikati moto, ngiyathanda ukufihlisha ngetinto, but kenikati moto I think it's a step so far. So I think those are the kind of things lenga sengithanda. Anything look physical anyways, nako lokho ku angeke sengikukhona. Well, going to do this episode ya Asambe ke ngangabona lamanye ama episode previously alabanye benda something totally different, and ngangabona labanye banda bo car wash, labanye benda bo gardening. So I am excited to try something different. Ngibuye ukuthi ngabe khona into ngiyele ngakwenza kanti nje ngiyelana ngizinto ngasengiyende, but mawathola ukuthi the opportunity yafika ukuthi ngiyende ngakhanza ukuthi ngiyakenjoy now. Just like I said, I wanted to be a lawyer, ngafika ku TV and I enjoy TV, so you'll never know. Right. Sesikhona ke Asambe ke sengiyobona ukuthi ngabe namuhla yini lekumele ngiyokwenda, but ke angisabulutho kangako because you know me, I can't do anything. Not really, but let's start when I can. Let me take a look ukuthi ngabe yini lengikwendako. Baker. New pagan. I hope not too thin, but anyway, there is food. Well, if I'm baking, it's food, so we're gonna have fun because it's food. So let's just get going. I wish because I'm visa, but that is fun apparently, or with the whoever this. But Asambe. Well, honestly, when something difficult, like I've seen previous episodes about car wash, I've seen episodes about so I'm expecting something about more especially because when you work with gadgets like we do with camera, I'm a sportcaster, so when you work with these cameras and all, anything else cool, something else that would be exciting, but may probably boy or that was something hard like that, but I'm happy it's baking, it's easy, it's a kitchen, it's gonna be warm, it's cold outside, so you know I'm excited. Yo, sengifike la ndawubhakela khona angisabulutho because sibhakela siyabhaka after all, so yindlo ngokusaba. I'm just gonna meet someone but akhona ukungitshengisa because ngeke ngento engethwana for the first time. Yo bro.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, man.
Good, thank you.
It's COVID and all that, but we're gonna set that out later.
Yeah, that's for sure. My name is Saseka Chevete.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so it's a Mozambican name that means something beautiful, you know.
Oh, right. I'm Phathizwe.
Phathizwe.
I won't say what it means because I'll be in trouble.
Phathizwe,
you know, it has a deeper meaning.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, my name is Phathizwe.
All right.
I'm a sportcaster, by the way.
Oh,
so
all right. That's nice.
I've got these. They said I'm going to be baking.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm just wearing a chef coat. I'm not sure if it's baking or it's cooking.
Thing is,
so.
this is like more of a graduation gown.
Uh-huh.
You can't wait if you can't cook.
So it's maybe cooking or baking.
But I'm sure you can
Yeah,
bake.
so welcome to where I do everything.
Okay.
So we can go and see.
It's not hard, no?
No, just
Okay.
welcome to the Kiora's kitchen. This is where everything happens.
If we were in the bedroom, we'd say where the magic happens.
Exactly.
But then it's the kitchen.
Then
Okay.
first things first, you can just put this apron on.
I want to take off the jacket.
But oh, that's okay. You can take it.
Just take off the jacket. Chef or chef.
Yes, so welcome Phathizwe to Kiora's kitchen. So today, what do you think we'll be doing? But maybe it's obvious, I don't know.
Yeah, we're going to be baking, but while I don't know.
All
I
right,
know
so
it's going to be baking.
I just
you
want
see
to
the
ask
plain
if
flour.
maybe, okay.
Like you see the berries there, eggs, margarine, sugar. Yeah.
That's vanilla.
Vanilla essence. Yeah, you see
Yeah,
that.
this is baking powder.
Baking
We've got
powder,
here.
okay.
Yeah. A raising agent. This is plain flour.
Okay.
Salt.
There's salt.
Yeah. Cooking spray.
Okay, so
This is passion fruit for. I'll do it something for you to drink as well.
Okay.
So this is just.
all right. So everything is here.
Yeah. This
All
is
right.
a baking paper.
Okay.
Yeah, but you'll see when we'll use it.
So all I know is when you're baking, you just get your measuring and
Yeah, instead of measuring, we use
the
this.
spray and cook.
Yeah,
so now we're dealing with the pros. So
Yeah.
good.
And then we've got the tips for doing all the designs
Okay.
and stuff.
So we're gonna be doing all that.
No, I'll let you do the design.
Okay.
I'll just see if you,
Okay.
then I can
Ooh.
help you. These are piping bags to put in the tips.
The tips, okay.
Yeah, and these the baking pans
Okay.
that we'll use.
Right.
All right, so can we start with the baking now?
Yes.
All right.
Let's start.
When you bake, usually most of the recipes need you to separate the ingredients. Like dry ingredients, you put them in a separate dish, and the wet ingredients, you put them in a separate dish. Then you mix them before putting them together. You mix the dry and the wet separately before putting them together to make the batter.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start with the dry ingredients. We'll use this bowl.
Okay.
We'll start with the flour.
Okay.
Let me just take it away.
This.
So I can show you the recipe, but I know it's me. I know it.
Okay, yeah, you can just show me so that I just don't keep on asking.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So you use the recipe book here every time?
Yeah, to confirm, to be exact, because when you bake, you have to be.
Which one are we making?
On point, vanilla cake. Yes,
okay.
yeah.
2.5 cup of all-purpose flour.
All right.
Okay, I got this. So how full must it be? You say. Do I have to?
It has to be flat.
It has to be flat.
So that one is 1 cup.
That's 1 cup.
Yes. So you have to put 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
That's
then there's the other cups, measuring cups. There's half.
This is the half.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You're already baking. Do you know that?
I've already started.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So the salt. Usually salt is to bring up the flavor of the cake.
So how do I measure that?
You use this teaspoon measuring thing. Yeah.
Which one is a teaspoon in this?
You have measuring. This one it's either 2.5 milliliters or half a teaspoon. So the readings are on here. Okay. So for me, I know them with the colors. The green one is 1 teaspoon.
So this is the one you're looking for?
No, you need the 3/4 of salt, but 3/4 of salt.
Which one is the 3/4?
We don't have 3/4. It's only a quarter, half, and 1. So you can use
this is
a
the
half
quarter.
plus a quarter. Yeah,
no,
that's mathematics.
Hence I'm a journalist. I don't want anything to do with numbers.
Yeah.
Not unless I'm counting calls.
Yeah.
You say this is one code?
Yeah, that's a code.
That's a code. Okay.
And then the blue one is half.
So we're doing how many?
2/3. Okay. Three quarters, not 2/3, sorry. So those are the dry ingredients.
Okay.
Yes. And then
what's next?
Baking powder. There's that the wet ingredients, which for a vanilla cake, since we use butter, we usually use a mixer, a machine. Yes, yeah.
Right.
So this is what we'll be using.
Okay.
To mix.
Start with this.
Yes, we start with the. So what's next? We have to put sugar, 1 cup and 2/3 of sugar. So we're using those measurements.
For 1 cup?
Yes. Then. We have to add these eggs in there now, but one at a time.
One at a time.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have to scrape down before.
So far so good. It seems everything is gonna be easy because if you got this, if you got this, but I've just showed them they might copy your recipes.
No, it depends. It depends who's baking. It's not about the recipe. It's about if you're making everything exactly it has to be. Yeah, it's not. I can give you the recipe and
but it'll taste different.
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
but yeah, if you got this, man, I mean, and you got a pro right next to me, so I'm not even worried about everything. I'm very confident.
But we're doing vanilla cake, so
it's gonna be nice. Promise you.
So now we can put in the vanilla.
The vanilla essence.
Yes.
The smell is nice already. We haven't even baked. I think it's the vanilla that's smelling nice.
Okay, this is our buttermilk. There is buttermilk, but we use a mass.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now,
so now
1 cup of buttermilk.
Yes, sorry, before you put the buttermilk, you alternate it with these dry ingredients. We'll put it
small.
Yes, we put maybe 1/3 of this, half of the buttermilk, because you're not maybe in between the dry ingredients.
So
yes, so we can put in. This is ready now to go to the oven. And put it on 180. It has to be 180. So just set a timer, maybe 10 minutes. Logo is the parchment paper, baking paper. There's no sensor for we for the mapanin.
Okay.
Good see we have to fage yona lingato stickisha the cake pinzelingashi as well. Yeah. So we'll use this to spray.
You spray the
around, inside the pan. Lel paper leli fanele kume emanang ma shapes lama seko. Lato hlala la.
Hayi ke lenzawo enkulu.
Yeah.
Angisanda.
For our vanilla cake. Yeah. So We'll use lama spatula. So fanele skip the siglets and ala stofagala the cake. So fanele scrape hello. Usually masfagala the beta akfanele in the half. Cause basically kukhumuka kwaze kwakhumuka wenza lelipani liyachitheka lel cake. Malisa selapha oven.
Lokuthola vele lunake.
Yebo laze lachitheka then liyasinga la ngekhathi bese kuba bede lutho like kuba kancane ube nesigoti nje.
Awu.
Yeah, so akufanele libe more than half lelipani. That's another tip.
Yibona le calling then.
Ngafaka la ngekhasi. Kumnanzi kathi ngisesemncane bengithanda ukudla kuroja ngiphekile. So
our oven is ready.
Yeah, our oven is ready. We'll put in 30 minutes with the cake. Masivule oven fanele sifake immediately singeni kakhulu because fanele yes fanele angene kushisa lama cake.
Right.
So put in 30 minutes. So I actually baked the cake itona le vanilla guti sit over ice le limalisa cake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because leli tawufanele likhulishe down before silifake the icing. Yeah. So
let's ice some cake.
Okay.
So far, I'm enjoying the experience. I've never baked anything in my life, so this is the first time. But so far so good, and I'm even thinking about every now and then. But it's okay. And we'll continue from there. But of course, when the cake stuff is in ice, it's just to show you it's ice because I'm part of the team now. So I'm saying bake.
We can do icing yet from scratch.
Circular icing.
Yes.
What do we need for that?
Icing sugar. We need icing sugar. I put it in this one.
It's here.
Then we need margarine. We need the vanilla and whipping cream. Whipped cream. Nalo cake lakho.
Ngiyalikhokha ngoba ngiyalihlola.
Singaze ulihlole qala. So I'll give you lokwe kuhlola lel cake.
Oh God, thanks.
Yeah. We use this. Ukuthi mawufaka la kule pen kwaphuma kumandi. Shothi alikavuthwa. Yeah.
Kwaphuma dry.
Kwaphuma dry shothi elikahle. Yeah.
So
you have to be fast.
How many seconds do I have?
5.
5 seconds. Do the countdown. Okay, let's go. Ow.
5.
So it's not ready.
Can I see? It's not ready.
It's not ready.
Yeah. So it has to. So it has. Akufanele kuphume kanje. Kufanele kuphume maybe kunalama.
Just a good dry.
Yes. Those crunches.
All right. So
maybe we can add 10 more minutes. So as I said, the cake level ngilibhakile. So it's still vanilla, but ngende lapha ma colors that different. But ngilenda itolo ngalifaka freezer, ngilifaka freezer every time. Yeah, yasita lokul ice as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's color blue. So before I said the cake, before uqale lokufaka icing all over, fanele ubeke ice la kuleli board.
How?
Yeah, ukuthi lingadomi move leli cake because makde lutho la lula usilta. But masel freezile le icing sekubambile ngeke lihambe leli cake.
So you can just put anything
in the middle. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
So masa ice a little cake, we don't use the chips. Since I just the icing, le masa faka the icing lam cutscene.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the my chips were good decorator and stuff. So singayikha yona le sifakela. So let's go now when you look to crumb coat, like in the coat check to the pick the straight before swag the icing the Lena let's start fighting and then that would be clear have a baby drama crumbs red cake. So it's a send a crumb coat.
So in the send a
man scrape one year, then we'll put another then icing scrape a logo around. Oh Bemba, so okay. Yeah. Bemba so must forget the crumb coats. We usually take it silver good deep freeze out it all clean. Must file the cleaner. Ingato tata from the crumb coats, the macrams. It help me clean the yeah, 7 cake. I was really icing as if I didn't pass. It's not a bambi because being a clean. But must not pack freeze at not this. Then none of us also move the cake.
Is it covered enough for?
It's good for a start. The crumb coat is good. I think silver egg freezer and then we'll see the next step. Yeah.
Okay, we're just about to ice the cake. Okay, I'm not letting the lodging for your scrapping and all that, but yeah, say some pet just because the part language again na locally focus linjan but again so we are freeze yes so you
okay come this side of so the crumb coat say clean so se bambi the most of lama crumbs so mas not is for the coat check clean ngeke lama crumbs available like coat check clean this is
okay
so now we'll have to put the icing
sure. Yeah, please. So this is where you go back on the cake little ngoma lebi.
Sprinkles. Yeah, so that's for cake. But for the starts, yours is way better than
most of.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, they cool. But I was these sprinkles went out.
Yeah,
we'll change it somehow. Yeah. From for a person local. So this out of 10
be nice.
I will give you a 4.
I was like, be nice, bro. A 4.
Okay, I'm just joking. I'll give you a 6 because most of the things like
yeah. I'll take a 6 for someone though. So I think a 6 is only fair.
Right,
that's 60%. That's a pass, right?
Yeah, obviously.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh,
yeah, well. So let's check what's the laculent pumek.
Oh, the 6 is for the deco.
Yeah, it's for the deco.
Now we're going for the actual baking.
Yeah.
The one that I baked.
Let's put it this side.
Okay.
So you can just tip it over like this. I will keep her immediately from the oven. The cheese will cake. It'll be big. It'll make crack.
Oh, sorry.
So we'll cool it down from the pan before we keep.
Okay. I baking at 8.
Elbow. Boil soft one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So asesina
Right.
asesilijube sitolibona la ngekhathi phela ukuthi likanjani. Like a triangle. You can even touch it and feel, not just the inside. This is
It's moist.
very nice
Let me just taste it first.
by looking at it.
I thought it was gonna be an 8. I'll
This
give
one-
myself a 10.
This one is ulendeka the moist.
Mm.
You can feel the vanilla as well, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you this one a 9.
Mm.
The baking,
Okay.
because we did it step by step as well.
Right. But not good time, but I would still love to hear your sister's opinion.
Well, we'll see about that. Okay. So this one is, mega just that maybe it's the oven or something.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise, it's mega. Then let's cut this one.
Yeah, look at that.
You can tip it like that.
Yes, that's looking nice.
Then
Mm.
well, it's still vanilla, it's just that it has colors.
But it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
It is.
It is beautiful.
Yeah. So let's taste mine and see how
Yeah.
you will rate
Let
me.
me let me test your tool. Can I get a fork or something? Because I wanna. They are the same, just a
They are
different
the
color.
same, just a different color only. And that's it coming from the freezer, this one. I don't know what you're supposed to say.
Man, it's proper nice. Like it's proper nice. Just because you proved to be a good teacher, I'll give you a 9.5.
Because if you say 10, then I will improve. Thank you.
9.5 is fair. All right.
Yeah.
But now I'm not sure if you were just joking about the 4 that you said you were giving.
No.
Let me just. This is nice. It's proper nice, and I really enjoyed my time with you.
All right.
And khona yini vele ufundisa labanye how to bake you?
Yeah, we do baking classes, but we've stopped because the city like is cutting.
Malupusha ma order. So
Yeah. But yeah, soon I could advertise when maybe within 2 weeks from now.
yeah, but too.
Advertiser baking classes.
But when you look, I can be a good assistant.
Obviously.
Yeah.
That's for sure. That's for sure. Yeah. So.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time, bro. I think I had fun and phumeka mnansi likhekhe lami and ngihappy ngale ngikwendile namuhla. So sengiyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyabambelela nje ukuthi I concentrate on just the sports. Maybe if I just go wide and other opportunities and explore what I can do. This has been fun. Asambe.